Hello everyone, this is Muktesh and we are from the team challenges and these are the teammates and we are from Amrita Vishwavidyapeetham Chennai campus, Artificial Intelligence branch, second year. Our project is to build a talkative bot for the speechless and make them comfortable while sharing their views and ideas during a particular meeting or a conversation. The main thought during our initial stage of choosing the project is that we just have only one thought that we chose the project that will be helpful for the people who are facing the problems, especially in this online crisis. That means, yeah, everything being online due to this pandemic has been a very crucial problem for the people who can't share their ideas and views. So, especially for these deaf and dumb people, it will be very difficult situation. So what we are going to do is we just being a voice over for them and make them feel comfortable while sharing their views. So that's why we during the searching of this project we came to know about many difficulties and disabilities that were faced by the people. So at last we just concluded with the disability of these deaf and dumb people, so and making them comfortable. So when coming to this project, we just while searching for the project we came to know about the different articles that were published due to this published for this deaf and dumb people. Now we can see the articles in the later slides. Now coming to these articles, this is the article. Now coming to these articles, yeah, this was a real life situation that was taking place in the March 1st, 2017. It was published on the year 2017. This was about the deaf and dumb people who are fighting for their right to education. So everyone has the right to education, but their disabilities could not should not stop them from studying. So we will be the voiceover for them. So if they want to share their ideas and views on particular conversation or particular event, they can share their ideas with the help of our project. We will be the voiceover for them. And when coming to this second article, it was published on the year November 1884, November 1st, 1884. So it was about the statistics of the deaf and dumb people. So this is a kind of census that was taken place at the year 1884. In the census, there were around 7 lakhs to 9 lakhs of these people who are deaf and dumb. So this project will be helpful for the people who can't, that means who can't share their ideas and views. So yeah. Now coming to this census that was published in 2011. So as we can see here, there were around 1.2 million people who are disabled in speech. So among them, 37.2% are the students. So if this project gets introduced and it will be very useful for these kind of students, and they may feel very comfortable while sharing their views. And these just one thing is that the disability of the people should not stop them from their rights. So it's our main motto. Now, these are some kind of symbols used by the dumb people. So, yeah, these as you can see here, there are some kind of symbols that we have used during this project. Yeah, while live implementing. Now coming to the software that we have used HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and algorithm in machine learning, which is nothing but the KNN algorithm, kth nearest neighbor algorithm, which is used to just to just to find the nearest solutions of the given gestures. Now, while training the symbols, we just train the following symbols. That means we just use these symbols for the live implementation, and these are the symbols that we have used in the live implementation. Now, yeah, what we are going to do is we are going to add the gestures, and after adding the gestures, that means start and the stop gestures. The between the middle, the later gestures will be recognized by the system, and it will be converted from gesture to text and text to speech. Now, our teammate will show the output of this project by live implementing in this video.
We have done the our website on the based on the Heroku app. We have hosted our website using the Heroku. Yeah, and as we have seen in the PPT slides, we need to go. I mean, we are using the KNN algorithm for this. So KNN means K nearest neighbor. So this is our main home page of our website. Like we have created on the basis of our topic name, like talkative bot for a speechless, and we are team challenges. I'm pressing the button, so let the show begin. And you can see a video on, and this is the first step of our process. So this is the first step, like the training. We need to train the symbols. Like at first we need to train the gesture. Like I'm giving the thumbs up gesture for the start gesture. You can see it is counting like a 10, 11, like it started counting. We need to give approximate, I mean, we need to give more than 30 images. And for stop gesture also similarly we need to give we need to give the 30 images. So I'm giving the stop gesture as a thumbs down. You can see it. It is taking images. It's okay. We have completed our first step. So this is our second step. Like we are training our system. Like at first I'm giving the name as the hello everyone as user defined user defined gesture. So we can predefine also. At present we have as the time constraint we have done for the user defined. So we need to train similarly staff on that. We need to train our bot with the 30 gestures. So let me give this. I am giving this gesture for hello everyone. Like similarly, it will take the 30 meters. Like I'm moving my form. Okay, you can see. So I have done our second part also. Yeah, this has started. So it has set the stop, and hello everyone. By clicking home, we will go to our home page.